Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Cryptic for Columbus, and today we're talking about all things RNS.ID, and this is week 3. So this is our week 3 update for our RNS.ID, and as you can see here, I am in the dashboard. I'll reload it. And you can see that we're still stuck in printing, okay? So in the Discord, a few people have actually asked the question, how long does printing take? And the feedback that I've seen several times now is somewhere between 15 and 20 days for the actual printing process of your ID. And then you obviously move into shipping, where they'll ship it out with your welcome packet. So we have been here for just over a week, so hopefully by the end of this week, we will move out of printing and into shipping. We've got our fingers crossed for that. Overall, the process has been very smooth. The Discord is gaining more and more activity and users in there, so the community is building up, and that's great to see as well. That's going to be pretty much it. It's just a waiting game right now. I will say I am very pleased to read about the progress that they're making. I mean, when you think about the infrastructure that it takes to build a system like this that'll support digital residency, it's pretty cool. So they're building out the process for starting a business. They're in Palau. They're building out the process of unique mailing addresses and VPN access. All of that stuff is the infrastructure is being built out now, and I love to see it. A great opportunity. I'm happy to be a part of it. I'm glad to already be approved, and I'm super excited just to move on here to the shipping and get this thing on the road here. So in the meantime, I do have FAQs. I have the other videos that from our previous updates, and you can find those on the channel. So if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. I am trying to get to 2,000 likes here before the summertime, and so if you can help out with that, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button if this is relevant to you and you want to hear more. But other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.